Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Sweet Beauty and granting required permissions so the app can access your camera and photos. Once done, pick front or rear camera and enable the grid to align your shot. This improves composition. Next, choose a base filter and set intensity between 0 and 100% to see subtle changes. You'll avoid overdoing smoothing. Make sure to set lighting to natural or soft indoor light because the app's algorithms respond to exposure and color balance. You now refine the look by working feature by feature. Start with face shaping, nudging jaw, chin, forehead, and nose sliders in small increments to keep results natural. Then adjust texture controls, blur, skin tone, pore reduction, and highlight balance because too much blur loses realism. Once those are set, move to eye detail. Slightly enlarge, whiten, and reduce dark circles while inspecting at 100% zoom so you catch artifacts. Also, use the app's compare toggle frequently to judge progress. You finish by exporting at the highest resolution available, choosing JPG or PNG, and keeping metadata if you want location or date preserved. Once done, apply your saved preset in batch mode for a consistent feed, and save a custom preset after one successful edit. If you see artifacts, skin blotches, or halos, reduce smoothing and blur settings to about 10 to 30% and touch up problem areas with manual tools. If the app crashes, clear cache, restart the phone, and try a lower export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.